Hello everyone, how are you today? So YouTube launched what is called YouTube Player for Education. So in this video, I want to show you how to turn on the YouTube Player for Education. So when you log into your YouTube studio, scroll all the way down to where you see N, click on that N. So when it opens, go to this point and check if you do have that option, the new tab Player for Education. Click on that Player for Education. If you find that tab in your YouTube studio, so this is what it's all about. YouTube Player for Education is a special video player designed for educational environments, offering an ad-free, distraction-free experience for students. It's an embedded player that allows educational institutions to integrate YouTube videos into learning materials without ads or recommendations. So let's turn this on. So I'm going to click here to turn it on. So make sure you go through this agreement. So I'm going to click here to turn it on because I saw it in this channel. So I'll click accept. So that's it.